Children, yesterday I told you I will send one video, okay, from the lab. So you can see here the solid is made up of polygon regions which are called its faces. So you can see same to same. See at page number 164, you can see the same. It's pyramid and faces you can see. First, second, third, fourth, five. Five faces are there. Now, sides we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or if you will count in this way, you can see here 4 sides are here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corners. Same way, second is, you can see this also. It's visible. Now see here, square box, that means cube. And then, just a minute beta. This also. Now here I have no vertices and I have no plane. You can see cylinder. Now children, you can see these all are polyhedrons because solid. You can see here prism, solid, this prism. You can take the example of cuboid also, this. Okay. And this cone. These are not polyhedrons. Even circle also. Because polygons, that means plane surfaces we count, and polyhedron made up by polygons. Clear? Now we'll talk about prism. So according to the definition of prism, prism is a polyhedron whose base and top are congruent polygons and whose other faces, lateral faces, are parallelograms in shape. Okay. So see here, base, regular, that means rectangle, top also rectangle, lateral faces, rectangle is also a parallelogram. Here you can see triangle, congruent, lateral faces. You can see square. Okay, in this also big. You can see base and top, triangle. And in the pyramid you can see in the pyramid when we join all the faces, so we get one common vertex. So on other hand, pyramid is a polyhedron whose base is a polygon. You can see here. Triangle, polygon, closed figure, that means, in short, polygon, that means closed figure. Okay. Whose lateral faces are triangles with a common vertex. So, common vertex, you can see lateral faces. Lateral faces, that means side. Clear? Now you can see here a prism or pyramid is named after its base. On the page number 165. Okay, thus a hexagonal prism has a hexagon on its base and a triangular pyramid. So triangular pyramid has a triangle as its base. Then rectangular prism, that means cuboid, and square pyramid, that means square base. Clearly their bases are rectangle and square respectively. So I am showing you this pyramid. Base is triangular pyramid. Base is, you can see, square, so square pyramid. Okay, now we'll talk about this. Base is square, so square prism. Triangular, top and bottom, triangular prism. And then we'll talk about cuboid. So rectangular prism. Okay, and rectangular prism, I am having this also, you can see. See, will fill this table. Triangular pyramid. So triangular pyramid, you can see here, will count all the things. Okay, so how many faces? Just a minute beta. 1 2 3 and 4. So faces are 4, then side, so 3 on the bottom, then 4 5 6. 6 sides are there, and vertex 1 2 3 and 4. Now you will fill the table. Okay, now secondly, then triangular prism. So triangular prism, you can see big also. So 1 faces. Okay, so 1 on the top, bottom, 2 3 4 5 faces. Okay, then vertex and edges. So vertex 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. Okay, now edges 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom, and then common. So 7 8 9. So you will fill this table, you will get answer. Okay, prism with square base. Okay, so prism with square base, we can take this. So how many cube? So how many faces in the cube we know very well? 6 faces, 8 vertices, and edges 12. So you will fill this table with the help of this video. So you will get better idea what is the difference between polygons, polyhedrons, convex, concave, and prism, pyramid. Okay, and do hard work. It's a base, children. You are not taking seriously, but we are taking seriously. So do your work.